I said no. Really? I said no. I'm not a math.
You mean a mathematician? Wait, how's some lipstick?
Wow.
Can I see it?
Can I give her some makeup? So pretty. Please, can I see tomorrow?
Si Otto, hindi.
Please, can I go?
Pa-unfair.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I'll put on
can I
you.
go?
Yours.
I get it.
So,
Oh, don't trust that.
No, I want it to be ruined. And Uncle, I see you. Wait lang, I need to get ready. Hi, universe.
tuloy ka maya ata. You shower na ba?
Nar.
Really?
I promise. I cross on Peppa Pig. It's my favorite.
Come on, sinabi ko. Your hair's good to.
Sorry, I'm so dirty.
Ay, sayang. Dapat autumn should shower na.
Huh?
No, later eh. Para mabura ka.
Hey, can I borrow your highlighter? Autumn, make your